So this is the data. So this is the order, date, region, the sale representative, item, units, and unit cost in total. So I'll copy all the all the sale reps. I'll paste it here in the L column. So now I want to remove duplicate data here. I want only the uh, unique names, unique sale representatives. So I click on data and click on remove duplicates here. Only continue with the current selection. Remove duplicates. So it will show to delete duplicate value. Select one or more columns that contain duplicates. So I've selected column L. This is column L. I've put my data here. So select column L. So we have only this many cell representatives. So I will copy the cell representative data here and paste it here. So only this many cell representatives. So now I want to calculate the total sale for each of the sale representatives. For this I will use the SumIF function is equal to SumIF. So this is the function, SumIF function. SumIF. So the range is the uh, range of the sale representatives. So that is from C2 to, I'll select the complete range of all the sale representatives. C60, this is the range, comma to separate it with the separate this range and the criteria. Criteria is the sale of each individual representative, total sale of each individual representative, that is I3. I3 is the range, comma, and the sum range. Sum range is this. This is the total sum range from G2 to G60 is the sum range. G2 to G60 sum range, close square bracket. So this is this total sales of Jones. So this is the total sales of Jones. Jones sales representative. So once I get the total sales of each representative, I can drag and drop here. See, but this is not a proper value because the range is changing each time. You can see here the range for this one is changing. See, the range is changing each time. See, for Quivel, the Jones had to be included, but it is not present. And here also G3, it has to take from G2, but it is taking from G3. It has to take from C3, but it is taking from. It has to take from C2, but it is taking from C3. So for Sorbin, you can see the range is now changed because the range is changed. Range has changed, so the resultant value is not correct. So what I had to do is I had to fix this range. I need to fix the range and only this thing has to be changed. See, the representative range and the sale rep range and the total range has to be fixed. Total sales range has to be fixed. Only this one has to be made. Only the rep name has to be changed because I want this to change for. I want this calculation total sales for each of the sale representative. I want only the sale representative to change. So to do that, I will fix the range by using the dollar sign. I will fix the range using the dollar sign. I'm fixing this range and also this range. So dollar G2 to dollar G60. Now if I drag and drop it, it will give me the proper value. See, even now it is not working because not only the column but also the number has to be fixed. Even the column number has to be fixed. So dollar $C $2, similarly dollar $C $60, and dollar $G $2, dollar $G $60. Now the range is fixed. Now if I drag and drop it, it will give me the proper value. You can see now for Quivel, the complete range is selected. For Gill, the complete range is selected. For Andrews, the complete range, complete sale rep range is selected, and total sales is selected. For parent also the same thing. But you can observe that only the criteria is changing. Except the criteria, the total sale rep range and the total sales range is fixed. So you can see the only the uh, sale rep name is changing. Sale rep name is changing. The sale rep name, all the names of sale reps and the total sales is fixed. Only the criteria is changing here. Now I will calculate the total sales. So to calculate the total sales, I will select this cell and I will click on auto sum. So auto sum automatically will give the total sales. Total sales, just press enter key. So this is the total sales of all the sale representatives. Now calculate the percentage. So calculate the sales in terms of percentage. To calculate the percentage, I will give the equal to symbol, and so this is the J3 column, J3 cell, J3 divided by the total sales. So total sales here is J13. J13, press enter. Into 100. So this is the percentage. So actually I changed the formula here. So this is percentage here. When I want to calculate the percentage, I just divide J3 by J13. I just divide J3 by J13 and I right clicked on this cell and I clicked on format cells and I selected percentage. So and decimal places, 2 decimal places. So it is displaying me the uh, percentage sales of each sales representative in terms of percentage. So I can drag and drop, but see, if I drag and drop, it doesn't give me the right value because here the total sales is changing always. You can see here the total sales is has changed to J14. Actually, it is J13, but it has changed to J14. So that is the issue here. So how to fix it? To fix it, I need to fix this. Fix the total sales. To fix the total sales, I add dollar symbol before J and number 13. So dollar J $13. Now when I drag and drop, it will give me the proper percentage. So when I drag and drop, it will give me the proper percentage. So I'm going to calculate the total sales according to the region, as per the region. So first I will copy this complete range, copy this complete range, and I will remove all the duplicates from this range first. So paste here. So from here I want to remove the duplicates. Click on home button, home tab, sorry, data tab, and click remove duplicates. Click on the data tab and click remove duplicates. So this is the column. Only this column. Remove duplicates. Click on continue with the current selection, remove duplicates, column L. So column L is the target column. So I'm now left with only 3 regions. So I will cut and paste it here below the region name. Now I want total sales. For the total sales I will use the SumIF function is equal to SumIF. So the range is the range of the regions, comma, criteria is the region name, comma, and sum range is the total sales. Sum range is the total sales, close parenthesis, enter. So if I drag and drop it, it will not give me the proper value. As you are aware, the region name is changing. But when I select it, even here it is changing. The range is changing. The range itself is changing. It is not fixed. It will not give me proper value. So you can see the range is changing here. It should not change. Should be fixed. So to fix it, I will use the dollar symbol before the name of the column and the name of the row. So $B $60 in the region, and also I'm going to fix this range. The total sales range I'm going to fix. So $G $2, the $G $60. So the range is fixed. Now I'll drag and drop it. It will give me the total sales. Now if I want the total sales here, from this range I will select the SumIF function. Sorry, I will select the AutoSum function. I will select the AutoSum function to get the total sales in the 3 regions. Press enter. So you can see this value and this value both are matching. So I have successfully calculated the total sales for the 3 regions. To calculate the percentage, I give the equal to sign and select this total sales of the central region divided by the total sales here, this number J20, enter. So right click on this cell, click on format cells, click on percentage decimal, 2 decimal places. So it is giving me the result. When I drag and drop, it will not give me proper result because the total sales range is not fixed. That is the reason. Total sales range is not fixed, so I need to fix the range of the total sales. The region I want the region to change. I want only the total sales to I want the region to change and total sales to remain fixed. So $J $20, because this is the total sales, J20 is the total sales. So now it is fixed, drag and drop. So it is giving me in terms of percentage. So this is how we can use the SumIF function in Excel.